made up of 41 islands and keys, 9 of which are inhabited. The total population of the Turks and Caicos Islands, 47,720. The population on Grand Turk is 5,000 people.
Guys, we are at the very first stop on our tour, and we are at a place called Mateos. And so this is the first stop. They recommend if you want to get a bite to eat. I mean, honestly, we've been on the tour bus for about 5 minutes, so I'm not seeing that a lot of people are even going to get off, but it is a good place if you have to use the restroom before we get on the tour and the beach. Now, Mateo inside also not only has food, but it's kind of like groceries, small snacks. You can get an alcohol drink if you want to take it for the day. They do recommend when you get off of your ship that the only thing that you are allowed to take is water. So that is where we are. So let's go ahead and check out Mateos. So you can see that this is some of the things that they do offer. So the official punch. This is what you'll find here in Mateos. I'm good. How are you today? We're going to check out and see what you have. Well, thank you. Oh, that stuff looks good. At Grand Turk and Caicos downtown. So I'm going to take you through. They have like 2 strips of areas where you can buy like some crafts and things for your family. Let's go explore. Alright guys, next stop on the tour. This is going to be about 15-20 minutes. They're going to do a little live animal presentation or kind of sea life presentation on what you find on the island.
No heart and no brain.
Oh, wow.
So man's best friend. It is man's best friend. It also has its medicinal purposes. It is used in the drug called Prevagen for treating dementia.
Wow.
It is also used for treating several forms of cancer, including breast cancer and prostate cancer.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Black. Also is used for, the black part is used for creating tattoo ink.
So that's the underside of it.
Yes,
How come that one's not
That's the
stinging
top
you?
side.
well, I've built up immunity to it.
Oh, so they hit you and it don't bother you?
It doesn't bother me this time.
Alright, I have no fear. Let's do it.
Fair enough, yeah.
Ooh, that's cool.
What I do.
So we've got some live jellyfish here.
It has a bitter taste, so therefore we do not eat it. We only eat this one.
Oh, that's wild.
That is a
Cool.
live queen conch. Yeah, it is yummy. It is yummy.
It is?
Yeah. And it is an aphrodisiac, so don't eat too much of it.
Nice. Wow, look at this. It is hard, isn't it?
Side of a fish, really.
Oh yeah. It's not really.
Oh, I'm good, yeah. Yeah, that looks cool. I'll take your word for it.
Wow, look at you, brave soul.
Say that first name.
Oh, so that's the sea cucumber?
Yeah.
That is really wild.
Up the college campus, the Turks and dances. The ones that roam the streets, we call them the jackasses. To 1,000 feet. This is where Mr. John Glenn landed. When you the white caps here along the side to the left of us, that is the Caribbean Sea. To the left, if you see how it curves around, that is the meeting of the two seas, because the Atlantic Ocean come across. It's not as defined as the one on the left, but going across, you see the streak in front of us. That is the Atlantic Ocean. It meets over there where it curves. That is a very strong current over there where you see that curvature.
We just arrived at the beach, and this is the beach of Grand Turk. So this is part of our excursion. Oh, look at the donkeys. That's pretty cool. All of these beach chairs and umbrellas are all included. There is no cost for those. They do have an area with restrooms that you can change, so I'll be changing into my suit there. And now we're going to go check out the donkeys. Guys, so here are the donkeys. Hey guys.
Looks like it is part of these.
Hi, look at you. Hi, baby. So here's a local donkey. Hi, baby. Sweetheart. So these donkeys are native to the island. They are all over the island. They basically survive on all of the greens and everything here. And then obviously they said sometimes people will feed them, but they really just are all over the island. It's amazing. Now we've gotten away from the donkeys. Okay, maybe not, because now I have a donkey following me. Gotta love that. Hi, buddy. Are you my new friend? And over here, part of the excursion are bottles of water. So you know that you don't have to bring something. I did bring a little Pepsi Zero. I'm sure that they have lots of food. It sounds like they have lots of food and drink and lots of other beverages and everything here down by the beach. So we're going to go get changed and check out the water. All right, guys, so we just got out of the changing room / bathrooms, which are a very easy walk right over to the beach. So that was easy. We have all of these furry friends. Look at the baby hanging out at the beach with us today. Guys, so the sand is awesome here. I will tell you that, sometimes, you get to those beaches where the sand is not real soft. I'm going to take off my shoes and off we go. Way you can get snacks. No, thank you. Thank you for asking. Guys, so here's our setup. Here is going to be our chair. We're going to get ourselves situated, and we'll see you back on the ship.